Here we're simulating a leaky pipe of some kind. And then we'll be using rubber Flexx waterproof tape to repair these. I want to thank the Gardner Gibson brand for sponsoring this video. So this leak stopper rubber Flexx waterproof tape will stick to most anything. I need to clean the pipe as much as possible. So now that our surface has been cleaned, it's as dry as we can get it. Let's go ahead and apply this. We get the release liner, get an edge started. This release liner started, we're gonna put it right over the hole. And then I'll finish pulling the release liner down. And now we want to try and avoid any kind of wrinkles or bubbles as much as possible and apply some good pressure. Now, because this is a flexible waterproof patch, you don't want to use it on a pressurized pipe. So now for the crack. Now that I've got the release liner started, I'm going to line it up over my crack, and then I'll get it started up here at the top. We'll pull the release liner off, and as I pull it off, I'll be putting it down, making sure it goes down nice and smooth. You gotta apply a lot of good pressure on this. You might want to apply a couple different layers of this, or even do a cross pattern over it. We've made a nice temporary repair here. One of the other cool things about this rubber Flexx waterproof tape is that it's paintable. It'll make this whole repair kind of blend in and disappear with the rest of the pipe. This will be a good way to patch up a pipe, keep it working until a permanent repair can get made. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.